explain how to write a comprehensive appeal to YouTube team if your YouTube channel was terminated due to community guidelines violation. I woke up this morning and I received a text regarding my channel that the channel have been removed from YouTube, and after checking and reading all their terms and conditions, I decided to come up with a comprehensive way to appeal. So if you are actually facing this kind of problem, maybe you've been using repetitive content on your channel and you're looking for the best way to appeal to YouTube team, remember to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and share. Now once you click on the appeal section here, once you click at this point, it will now take you to this section where you require to enter your full names. Then you will now also enter this is other one is the Gmail of the channel. At this point you'll be required to enter the email address that the Google team will use to contact you. At this section, this is your YouTube URL. You copy it from the mail and you paste it here. Now this is the comprehensive appeal that you now use. I will drop the link in the description. So once you're done typing this effectively, you now click on submit. So once you click on submit, the YouTube team will review your appeal and they'll get back to you with a very positive response. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel.